Hello friends, my name is Richard Quente, a compounding pharmacist and product formulation specialist for a compounding pharmacy. We make creams, troches, or capsules for you when your doctor gives you a prescription for a compounded medication or a compounded bioidentical hormone. I have dedicated my life to naturopathic medicine. I am board certified in anti-aging and also have a fellowship in anti-aging, metabolic, and functional medicine. I have a master's degree in integrative medicine from George Washington University. I am just a few months away from graduating with a doctorate and PhD in integrative medicine. Welcome to Bioidentical Hormone Pharmacotherapy, a YouTube channel dedicated to the education of fans worldwide on the benefits of proper hormone balance as we age. If done correctly, hormone replacement or restoration will change your life forever. In my opinion, natural bioidentical HRT represents the best anti-aging treatment currently available on earth. There is tremendous confusion in the medical circles about what constitutes natural hormones. I can assure you that by the time you subscribe to and listen to a few of my videos, you will be a believer. If there is any professional who can educate you about hormones, it should be me. My qualifications and experience speak for themselves. This channel is dedicated to hormones such as natural bioidentical hormones, progesterone, testosterone, estriol, DHEA, pregnenolone, estrogen dominance, hypothyroidism, T3 leothyronine, T4 levothyroxine, anti-aging strategies, functional medicine strategies, and integrative treatments for hypothyroidism and related chronic conditions. I will break down the common reasons why treatments often fail. I will explain the rationale and the effectiveness and indications of the various formulations used for the treatment of hormone imbalances and thyroid disorders, the benefits of having your hormones compounded, and much more. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.